Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox not responding. It can be incredibly frustrating when your game freezes, but don't worry, we're here to help you get back to playing smoothly. We'll go over some of the most common reasons why Roblox might stop responding and provide you with clear, actionable steps to resolve these issues. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to troubleshoot and prevent future interruptions, ensuring a much better gaming experience. Before diving into solutions, let's quickly understand why Roblox might stop responding. Often, it's due to a shaky internet connection, outdated graphics drivers, or too many applications running in the background, hogging your computer's resources. Sometimes, corrupted game files or a full cache can also be the culprits. Identifying the potential cause is the first step towards finding the right fix. We'll explore these common scenarios so you can better pinpoint what might be affecting your game. Now, let's get into the practical solutions. A simple restart of your computer and internet router can often work wonders. Next, try clearing your Roblox cache and temporary files, as this can resolve many performance issues. It's also crucial to ensure your graphics drivers and operating system are fully updated. Don't forget to close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming valuable resources. If all else fails, a fresh reinstallation of Roblox can often fix persistent problems. To prevent future issues and ensure a smoother experience, consider these advanced tips. Always make sure your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements. Running Roblox as an administrator can sometimes provide the necessary permissions for optimal performance. Regularly checking for both game and system updates is also key. For the most stable connection, especially during intense gameplay, a wired internet connection is often superior to Wi-Fi. Following these steps will help keep your Roblox adventures uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.